my dude. How's everyone? Welcome to my channel. I'm Alla, the host of the show. This is Milo. So today I want to show you strawberry fairy tale cake. It's so pretty, too pretty to eat almost. It's colorful, it's fun, it's perfect for anyone and anywhere, for any birthdays or any celebrations. I've decorated with loads of candy, donuts and ice cream cones, and I really like the strawberry mousse texture. It's really light and delicious. So I hope you enjoy this recipe too. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, it's completely free. Yes, I know, it's free. It's free recipes. Every single week I upload a new recipe. And click notification bell so you receive new videos every single week. Now, let's get started. In a small pot, add water and then gelatin. Mix everything together and leave it to bloom for about 10 minutes. Into your blender, add your strawberries. Make sure they're washed, cleaned and dried. Then you want to blitz this for about a few minutes until all the strawberries puree and become like a one mass. It should look just like this. Then add your strawberry mixture into your pan. And then you want to add sugar. And we're going to cook this on a low heat until the sugar completely dissolves. This should take 5 minutes or so. Once your mixture is cooked, you want to take it off the heat and then put 100 grams of your puree into a separate bowl and set it aside. And then into the rest of your strawberry puree, you want to add your bloom gelatin while the mixture is still warm, and make sure you mix it through and gelatin completely melts. Next, take your cookies. I'm using lady fingers. Dip them into the strawberry puree that we have set aside. Make sure they're covered from the top, and then place them into your cake ring. You want to put a little presentation plate underneath so it's easier to assemble when you're done. Stuck them together, make sure it's nice and tight. Next, add yogurt into your strawberry puree and mix everything together. Add your double or heavy cream and whisk this on a medium speed until you get nice and soft peaks. You don't want to over whisk the cream so it's nice and liquid because we're going to mix this into our strawberry mousse, and you do want that light moussey texture. Then add that cream into your strawberry puree and mix everything together until it's nice and even. You want to keep adding a little bit of your cream at a time so that you don't overwhelm the mixture and you don't have a lot of white bits sticking out. So just keep whisking with your whisk until you get a nice smooth mixture. Next step is completely optional. I separated my mixture into a jug where I've added some red food coloring, and I wanted to do like a cool effect on the cake, so I had 2 different colors. You can also do this. Guys and girls, I have my recipe on my website at AllasYummyFood.com. You'll find full ingredients and also directions on how to make this. And also you'll be able to find loads of other recipes that I do for my channel. Just click on the picture and you'll be able to see the whole video with the directions and the full recipe in English and Russian languages. And now we're gonna start layering the cake. So add the first color, like 2 tablespoons, spoon it around, and then add your second color right in the middle. And then kind of just repeat going around into the middle with different colors and alternating until you kind of finish the whole mixture. This will take a while, so put some music on and enjoy the process. You want to shake it a little bit and place this into the fridge or freezer until it's completely set. Run your knife smoothly around the edges to get the mousse out. Now place this straight away onto the presentation plate. So I'm using some chocolate covered strawberries, donuts, ice cream cones. I'm using some dust and sprinkles, candies. You can use anything that you like, colorful lollipops. This is a fairy tale cake. If you've got some candy floss, feel free to add that. I really love this, guys. It's so colorful, it's so pretty. It really makes me feel like it's a celebration. Top it up with some melted chocolate. And I really hope you enjoy this cake and this recipe. It's super yummy, very smooth. Kids absolutely love this as well as the adults. Give me a big like, leave a comment down below, and please subscribe to my channel if you enjoyed this video.